Welcome back to another episode of Rush Outdoors. Last minute decision to come out tonight, so I've decided to come down to Penrhos Isaf, stay the night here and then do a hike tomorrow, depending on where's best for the weather, because I want some views again like last week. Anyway, short walk up to the bothy now. There's no other cars here at the moment, so, but it's not to say nobody's there. Let's see how it goes. So at the moment I don't think there's anybody in here. I'm gonna have a little mooch around upstairs. We'll see what happens. I'll probably take one of them downstairs. I very much doubt I'll have this to myself on a Saturday. Right. Plenty of wood been left. Some coal been left as well. So I'm gonna there's a bench missing, one of them big benches, I'm sure of it. Oh, it's been moved over there. Anyway, I'm gonna get the fire going, ready for if anyone does come. Love this little rock. Mint. Pumpkin. Still a bit shocked that nobody else is there yet. It's 6 o'clock. I suppose the weather the last few days has put people off. But I'm enjoying myself anyway. My music playing, the fire going, and a few beers. And then I plan to do a big hike tomorrow. It's mad that first time I've been here, there's been no bad weather and it's clear as day. You can hear some dogs in the background. I think there's a farm down the road there. Bloody hell, my eyes look bad. Cracking place though, I love this bothy. Got it to myself again. I have had it to myself once before. For my birthday last year, 2022. Yeah, nobody came. Had the whole place to myself. And it's a Saturday. And I'm surprised that that's the case up to now. I will be surprised if that is the case later on. We will see. Because you get a lot of people passing by, cyclists and all sorts. But we'll give it a go and see what happens. So I've set my bed up ready. I know it's early, but if somebody else comes, I'm not bothered. So I've brought one of the army style camp beds down. Like last time it was in here. I've got my closed cell just underneath. Thermarest Neoware X-Therm, OEX Leviathan down. Sleeping bag and my flex tail pillow, which I've had used a couple of times now. It's fantastic, absolutely amazing, love it. I do. Best pillow I've had to date. So comfy, so comfy. Still shocked that nobody else is there at the minute. Like I said earlier, here. I'd be very surprised on a Saturday if this is still the case. But we'll see. YouTube. I'm not alone.
Hello.
Introduce yourself, boys.
Richard from Lancashire.
Whereabouts in Lancashire again?
Ormskirk.
And originally from?
Liverpool.
But where are you living now?
Near Carnarvon.
Near Carnarvon.
Bethel.
Bethel. Lovely views from Bethel.
That's it. Will's first bobby as well. Yeah.
Will's first he's a bothy virgin.
I am, yeah.
He's a bothy virgin.
Popping my bothy cherry.
Right, and we got the fire going. Happy days. Lads, 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 lads. So we're all going to settle down for the night. Lads have gone upstairs. You can hear them. I'll save some of this. Charge for tomorrow. Still got the fire going. We've all had a good drink. I say all three of us. Good drink, good natter. Now it's bedtime. See you in the morning. Good morning. Good night last night. About 11:30 a group of 4 came in as well, but they went straight upstairs. Yeah. So the plan is this morning, get all the gear together and then decide on a hike. Nice clear day. Let's see what the day brings. Brew time. Time to pack away. So I've got the fire going for the guys upstairs. I've tidied away almost everything. All that's left now is a couple of bits and pieces of theirs. Always try and leave them as you find them though, guys. Nice and tidy. Even in a bothy, leave no trace. Right, let's head back to the car. So that was a really enjoyable night. Nice to meet Rich and Will. Cracking lads. Like I say, had the place to myself for a good few hours. They joined me about 8ish. Had a good chat, as you do, just talk shit round the fire. And then as we were settling down for bed, a group of 4 guys came in about 11:30. But they went straight up to the room then to get themselves set, so quite late for them to be out walking, mind. But yeah, really enjoyable night again. Now the weather has turned lovely, and I'll just pan round. So I'll get some decent views hopefully. Probably going to drive around towards Arenig Fawr. I fancy doing that because the other 2 times I've done it I've not been able to see a bean. So it'd be nice to get some views up there. Right, I'll get back in a bit. Well, I'm here at the start of the walk. Absolutely beautiful morning, nice and fresh. There's Kellen down there. Kind of the Filias behind it. Arenig Fawr. Right, let's make tracks. In Arenig, so I'm gonna head up that ridge line up to Arenig Fawr. Nifty, cracking views. Considering the weather we've had this week, today is absolutely stunning, and as always in Bala, cloud inversion. You always get them around Bala Lake. Stunning. I love being Welsh. Wondered if anybody stayed at this bothy last night. The original plan was to come here and stay here, but the risk of turning up and there already being people there, it's only a small bothy, as you know. You'll get 3 in at a push, maybe 4 with somebody on the floor, but that's why I chose Penrose. Stunning morning. So you can see in the distance the Berwins just over there, where I was last Sunday for the walk on Cadabronwen. And then the Arenig. This beautiful area. Arenig. So 3 people have just passed. Guessing they've stayed here last night. Looked like they had. But, it's always nice to still pop here in and have a look. Love it here. Fair play, been left absolutely spotless. I love this little bothy. First time I've actually had a view like this. I can see the tops. Oh, my mountain fitness is waning of late. Need to sort that out. So up there, that's where the memorial is. Of the crash plane. And then there's a pan left. Through Alton Robel Fawr, the Arenig, Bala Lake, covered in a cloud of mist. Over to the Berwins, and then up towards the Clwydians. The tallest one there. Move am I. Right. Keep plodding. I'm going up there. So this mountain, Arenig Fawr, has 3 actual tops. Un dau tri. Môl yr eglwys. Look at that. I've only seen a couple of other people. Just seen some bloke on his way down and a couple with a dog. They're a bit far behind me now. And they look like they're heading up this way. It's nice to be able to actually see it. Oh, there's somebody up on the top as well, if you can make them out. Yeah, it's nice to get a bit of views. So I get up before them clouds roll in. I don't think they're going to miss it yet. I'll stop waffling now. So I'm just about to top out now on Arenig Fawr summit, Cairn and Trig Point. This is where the memorial is to the air crew sadly lost their lives. Do you know what? I love this mountain. It's my third time up here. First time with views like this. Check this out. So that's Mole Fliffnant and the Rhinogs. The Rhinogs over there. That forest is called the Brennan. That's where Penrhos Isaf is, where I stayed last night. And I clocked this. I didn't know there was a viaduct down there. First time I've seen it. And this Trouse Funnid, looking out to sea, the Flynn Peninsula. And you've got the Mole Winds, a Withver, and a little cloudy hat on today. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Amazing. And here's the memorial. Bits of the wreckage left. So there's a local guy I've just been chatting to, lovely guy. Didn't get his name though. Yeah, he lives at Trouse Funnid. He's come for a quick up and down, and by quick he's legging it back. But that's the route I'm going. I'm going to go down that way, back to the car. Look at this, so absolutely stunning. On the doorstep. Practically, it's only an hour or so drive. Right, I'm going to head back down to the car so I can get home by dinner time. But I'm a bit precarious with these boots I've got on, these Scarpas. Don't get me wrong, they're comfortable, they'll keep my feet warm and dry, but they've got no grip whatsoever on damp rock, and it's quite dangerous. Bloody hell, he's got over there quick. Right, I need to concentrate now for a bit. So I'm doing a little bit of exploring now. There's some cracking places to pitch some tents up here. I'm going to go down a different route to what I've come up. There's somebody else there. Right, I'm headed down that way anyway, towards the car. Beautiful morning, absolutely beautiful. There's a Withver, Mole Winds. Absolutely stunning views to Arenig Fawr. There's the lake and the bothy. I'm going to make my way down this ridge line. So this little peak here, I don't think it's got a name. 697 metres. Cracking little place. Lovely little Flynn and a side of it. So I should be above the ridge line now. That takes me back down the other side of the lake. Just need to get to this top, have a little breather. I've come down off there. It's been a lovely morning, hardly seen anybody. 5 different people, so a couple and their dog, and then 3 guys all solo walking, hiking, and enjoying the great outdoors. This is a nifty little cairn. Look at that, check that out. Oh. Right, I need to find a way down. Stunning, there's Llyn. Right. Let's have a look, see what we do. Some really weird rock formations and some of the cuts in them look like they've been done with a bloody laser. Oh, it's the thing with exploring, you find stuff. Oh, so I made the sensible decision to pick up the fence line instead of going down the ridge. I've not done it before, so I don't want to go getting into any complications. So if you're not sure of anything, turn back to take the safer route. The last thing is you want to be stuck somewhere waiting for mountain rescue to come and get you. Right, fence line's there, happy days. Look at that for a view though, stunning, absolutely stunning. So this route down isn't advisable for anybody. Sketchy as hell. And I've come down that gully and I'm going to get to that wall and make it over to the path because my car's back over that way. I can see it. Right, let me get off here safe. Well, that was a task and a half. Run down, I'm going to climb this wall, head that way. Know some more mad stone features. Right, let's see if I can get back this car now, because the car is that direction. So I'm almost back at the path. That's been a bit longer and more adventurous than I was hoping for, but hey ho, it makes for a good story. So yeah, I dropped down a gully on that rock face and then I've just heather bashed it to here, following sheep tracks, and there's the main path I need to be back to, just about 200 yards, 250 maybe. Oh, still a stunning day for it, like. Right, let's get to that path there. Well, thank the Lord for that. Oh, back on the path. I'm going to end the video here, boys and girls. Oh, thanks for watching. And I'll leave you with this little view of Carnedd y Filiast and Llyn. Beautiful. Look at that view. Carnedd y Filiast and Llyn. Oh, diolch. See you on the next one.